I just got my carrot pots and pans and I'm so excited to show them to you because I'm so excited to use them. They are such good quality. Let me show you what I got. When I first ordered these, it came in a 22-piece set. It looks like now the brand is only offering a 21-piece set and they changed a few things up. The sets now come with like a 4-piece egg pan and mine did not, but mine did come with the grill pan that is not offered, I don't believe yet anymore in the group, but it is offered separately from what I can tell. Another thing I really like about this set is that a lot of the lids that came with the set will fit some of the other things. For example, on the boiling pot lid will fit the frying pan, and then the smaller boiling pan, the boiling pot will fit the other frying pan. So the lids are a little bit interchangeable. My set did also come with a spatula, a spoon, and some tongs, as well as the pan protectors, which I'm super excited about because I do really want to take care of these. So let me show you the set up close. So beautiful, non-stick, perfect for cooking easily. Not gonna have to use a ton of sprays to get it to not stick. I love the wood design. I know a lot of the new sets have the handles that detach. I don't have time for that. I want my handle to be attached. I don't want to have to go look for a handle because knowing my house, that handle is going to get lost. No shade. If you like that, you like that. But I really like that the lid also has that matching handle. And then this set did also come with the strainer. So that's really cool too. I absolutely love this set. Like I said, it's a 22-piece. I love that it has the big pot as well as everything small, even the tiny little small frying pan if you just want to do some personal cooking. This set is absolutely incredible. I love the quality of it. I love the value of it for the price, and it's pretty on top of that. Who would want that?